All journeys have an end, but every goodbye is just a promise of return. Today, I'm leaving the mystical island of Siquijor, a place that has given me unforgettable moments, breathtaking views, and stories I'll carry forever. Hello, magandang umaga. Good morning, first timers. That was my first time. Okay, Siquijor na. Running in Siquijor again. Okay. Motor lang daan eh. How are you? This is my last day dire for now. Kay muli na ko. So tanang barko are fully booked. Fully booked tanan, so March pa ang open, so bali I need to go home kay napay laing activity pod events ato sa balay. So uli ato ko Dumaguete agi. So this morning gabi nakabook ko via Dumaguete and then Dumaguete to Tagbilaran. Okay? So just a glimpse of the view of Siquijor. Maone, I'm staying at La Arena. Ako na juga layo sa Galingo, no. So the events are naara gyud sa Siquijor. Pero ako stay at La Arena, why? Kay kahilan na ako tong naka-book na ako daan atong inn or lodge nga ang dungat. And then ginahanap sa pugot to. Mo to. Nga bahalag dili Marinverse ang at tanawon lang panigamutan Marinverse. Sige lang. Anyway, padung ko sa awarding program. Tangan ho makabas sa bako gamay. Ano mahaw sa po? I'm hungry. Bit hungry. The morning ho mong ada. Okay, I'm running the fast show. Yeah. Morning. Alright, so perspectives sa review na accepted. Yung kawatan ay bawal niyo gibuhat. Anyway, let's go. Good morning, tana. Sorry, boy. Yeah, I'll feel great. Like, iyan lang kamo. Tubig sila, diba? Kabuo na ulit. Okay. So, this is it. Siquijor. I'm going to Siquijor. Ikan wala rin na. So, mga alas 7 po ron. I check out the hotel 7 a.m. Yeah. Ano? Mamahaw sa po kay Lutong guy. Bye-bye. The original plan was to book a direct trip home. But with all boats fully booked until March, I had to take different route. First to Dumaguete, then from there, another ride to Tagbilaran, a detour. Boat. But isn't that what life is about? Sometimes the best adventures come from unexpected paths. As I live, I take with me not just photos and videos, but the spirit of Siquijor, its warmth, its mystery, its charm, they say, Once Siquijor touches your soul, it never truly lets you go. And I believe that.
Leave the town, stretch right. Turn passengers on the right.
Ako rin yung next yun.
Are you sure you want to listen一下？如意世界这些电影节对不对？
Remember, we travel not to escape life, but for life not to escape us. To Siquijor, I say, see you again, because I know someday I'll find my way back. Until then, padayon sa laing biyahe. If you enjoy this journey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Where should I explore next? Let me know your comments. See you on my next adventure.